Well, this is day 5. The snow has stopped. It's actually now starting to rain a little bit right now. Snow's compacted down. You know, the bottom 2 feet is pretty much solid, almost ice right now. It's just this car's free, still hasn't moved. As you can see, we're still waiting for a plow. And, well, actually, we have the plow. It's right there. I started. Came about 2:30 in the morning last night. Worked about an hour and waiting for him to come back. Over there you can see a grain silo in the background. There was a barn in front of it, but that collapsed. Neighbors are still stuck back there. See 4 cars back there, still stuck. There's a plow, my car. You can see we have a really wide driveway. The growing snow pile in front of my house. Ground's turning to ice. Hopefully I don't slip and fall on my ass. From my house, still waiting for that to fall down. Hopefully it doesn't take that cable line with it or the electrical lines on the other side. But that's Time Warner, which I don't have. Neighbor across the street was finally able to get out with helps of the other neighbor over there. They had a little Kubota tractor come and dig them out. Cost them over there $200 to have their driveway done. Side streets have been done, which is great. A lot of neighbors and everything helping each other. You got neighbors over there, they're cleaning out the roofs. Traffic ban has been lifted in West Seneca, so you can see the amount of traffic in the area. For a secondary road, this road gets pretty busy. Take a look down the side street, see how good they did. I know they've been working on it quite a bit. Hopefully I don't get hit by a car. Well, there's Cindy Lane. Like I said, they've gotten that pretty wide open. A lot of people have been out shoveling their driveways. Those mounds are, you know, over 6 feet tall on people's front lawns. So yeah, life is getting back to normal. You know, still got bobcats and front loaders and everything else just driving down the street, hauling around snow. All right, well, we'll see how the flooding does the next couple days, and we'll let you know. Enjoy.